Let's make hot chocolate together. My name is Tanzila. Welcome back to my channel. So to keep us motivated and in good moods in this period, we need hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is perfect for boosting our energy, to keep us positive, and also to boost our immune system. So let's make it together, and I will need my blender. And as a base, we need any plant-based milk. I will use hemp seeds. And what's good about hemp seeds, that you don't need to pre-make this milk ahead. You can just add hemp seeds while you're making hot chocolate. Let's start with hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons. Then next I will use a chunk of cacao butter, raw cacao butter, a chunk of pure chocolate. We can add a sweetener honey or raw sugar or coconut sugar. I will use dates. And next I will add 2 teaspoons of cacao powder, 1 spoon of carob powder, a teaspoon of maca powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, a pinch of cinnamon, and as a base we will use a herbal tea. Okay, now we can blend it all together. Okay, our hot chocolate is ready. Let's try it. I will use a cup. And I like to use a little bit honey aside with my hot chocolate. Let's try it. This is a great hot chocolate. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.